Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix file not supported in CapCut. To do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do to get that file not supported into CapCut is pretty simple. You get an application like this. It's called Media Convert. You can locate it in your App Store, or you can even locate it in your Google Play Store. So here in your Media Convert, so there's ads. It's free though, so it has ads. So all you have to do is convert video. So as you can see right here, it supports a lot of types of export. So for example, we're going to use this for an example. So let's just turn down our volume.
So hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to remove your iMessage number from your iPhone. So if you want to remove from the Apple ecosystem and perhaps you want to remove your number, here's your number one guide to do so.
So you want conversion in the top right corner and just re-encode it using your CPU power. Because if you use the Pro version, it will convert faster, but I recommend just doing it with your CPU because it's pretty fast too, and it's not really going to take up the time. So as you can see here, it's going to convert it into your desired output, and now you can use it in CapCut. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.